everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Lets you log into VPS. I use PowerShell. You can also use another free software that is available on the internet. To change the root password, use the past command. Now enter the password you set for root. Lets you re-enter the new password. That's it. Let's verify the new password. As you can see, the password has now been successfully changed. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.